Just going to bring you guys along with us today just to kind of show you what we're going to be doing. We're going to just go on a cruise from here. We just had breakfast. We're going to head over to a ghost town somewhere on the outskirts of, I believe, Henderson. And yeah, I'm going to go and take some pictures and see how it all is. And yeah, got Walter over here pumping gas. Go see Walt right now. So good, the exhaust. I love it.
That's the new 6 one.
6 one, yeah.
Wow, it's a big tip.
Bro, humongous, and it has like a nice different rumble, like the pop. So yeah, guys, just excited to bring y'all along. Hope you guys enjoy this, something different. You know, we usually just post how-tos and install videos, but hopefully this is just a little bit different and you guys enjoy it.
Got Veloster City over here, and there's Walter's car. Henry's getting the perfect shot.
All right, guys, so we just got to the Colorado River and it's a beautiful day. We're just at the ghost town taking a bunch of pictures. It was actually really cool. So what you do there is they allow you to pay a fee, and then you're able to go and park your cars and stage them wherever you'd like as you're taking pictures. So they have like an airplane crash there. They had quite a few old barns. It's near an old mining area, so the theme is kind of goes along with that. It's just really rustic, really cool looking. So just gonna show you guys everybody's cars. Try to leave a Instagram handle for whoever I can. But as you can see, very clean builds. Jacob's still in the car. It's been a fun day. Exciting. Pictures being taken of. Everybody's got a camera out. Stretches going on. Really cool to come out here to Nevada and see the roads that they have. Beautiful scenery as well, coming out here and being able to see the Colorado River after a run. Really, really fun. So, it's been a fun time.
Three, two, one, go!
He's all gonna climb on the Ferris wheel! Walter! Walter! Oh my god! So how do you feel?
I feel great. Got third place. Super exciting. It was fun. Walter got first. Patrick's a really good driver, so me and Walter are putting in work with Patrick. Really fun. Let's see what was this last one. I got carbon fiber pieces this time.
Woo! That's awesome. Dang.
You want to put it on your Veloster? Okay, then yeah. So then we'll do split.
Second and thirds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like Walter already has one of those. He does. That's the whole point. That's why I was like, I have none of that.